In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the full process of setting up a simple survey inside an email campaign using Mailerlite's drag and drop editor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to customize a basic questionnaire that your subscribers can answer directly from their inbox. First, we need to start a new campaign. From your Mailerlite dashboard, look for the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on that. On the Campaigns page, you'll see an option to create a new one. Choose Create Campaign, and when you're asked what kind of campaign you want, select Regular Campaign. This is the standard type of email you'll use for most newsletters and broadcasts, and it works perfectly for questionnaires. Once you've created the campaign, you'll be guided through a few basic settings like naming your campaign and choosing your subject line. After you've done that, you'll arrive at the content step. Here, Mailerlite will ask how you want to build your email. Choose the drag and drop editor. This editor is the easiest way to design your email visually because you can just drag elements into place without worrying about code. When the editor opens, you'll see a preview of your email in the middle and a panel of content blocks on the side. To add your questionnaire, look for the survey block in the list of blocks. Click and drag that survey block into your email template, dropping it where you want the questionnaire to appear. You can place it under some introductory text explaining why you're asking these questions and how long it will take to complete. Next, click directly on the survey block you just added. On the right-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with options. There, select Add a Question Template. This will let you start building the actual questions your subscribers will see. You can then choose the question type that best fits what you're trying to learn. For example, you might pick a multiple-choice format for quick, easy answers, or mix in other available types depending on your needs. Take a moment to review how everything looks. Check your wording, make sure the questions are clear, and that the survey flows logically. When you're happy with your questionnaire and the rest of the email design, click Done Editing. That saves your content and prepares your campaign so you can move on to reviewing, testing, and eventually sending your questionnaire to your audience.